Hello and welcome back. I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams Ann Arbor. It's time for my next video in my latest series, Buying New Construction. Today, I'm going to go more in depth about the types of builders out there with one of the more commonly asked questions. What is the difference between a production builder and a custom home builder? Well, let's start with the basics. A production builder simultaneously builds a community of homes based on a library of floor plans, each with a limited array of personalization options. On the other hand, a custom builder typically creates a one-of-a-kind home that offers an even greater range of design choices that's often built on a single lot. According to the National Association of Home Builders, most production-based home builders offer the following: a home and land as a package, a range of house plans to choose from. They allow buyers to select their favorite style, design from a menu in several product categories, and they build homes priced for first-time, move-up, and luxury buyers. As for custom home builders, the process of building a custom home is less scripted because there are no predefined choices or menus to choose from. With custom homes, they offer: the home can be built on land you own or land that you acquire. You can supply a floor plan or commission a set of floor plans to be drawn from scratch. You can work with a separate architect and builder or with a design-build company that manages both the architectural design and the construction process. You'll definitely be more involved in the process and have the opportunity to make many more decisions. You can pick from nearly any product in a category within your budget, and of course, rather than selecting from a defined menu of choices. A production builder can usually deliver the same size home for less money than a custom builder. The reasons lie in volume purchasing power. When buying building materials and land in a higher volume, often systematized approach to construction. As a buyer working with a production home builder, you'll typically start by selecting a lot for your home and your favorite floor plan from the builder's library of plans. The next step is to select an elevation. Many production builders also offer the opportunity to specify the use of a bonus room based on your needs. A bonus room can be built as an extra bedroom, a study, or even a media room. Next, you and the builder will work together, often in a design center, to further personalize your new home by selecting design options, home styles, colors, finishes, and other key products in your home, such as appliances, cabinets, countertops, carpet, and flooring. On the other hand, you should expect to pay more for a custom home than a production model of similar size and floor plan. Of course, the actual price will depend on a number of variables, the most obvious being the size of the home, the intricacy of its design, the building products and materials you select, and of course, the land you purchase. The key to working with a custom builder is to establish a realistic budget and stick to it, even when you're enticed by a lovely but higher cost option. While most buyers realize that additional customization will increase the home's price, unexpected land-related costs can take you by surprise, so it pays to do your homework up front. At one end of the scale, you may hold the deed to a flat suburban lot with in-ground utilities already available at the curb. Such a finished lot is ready to build on. On the other hand, you may be considering wooded, rural, or steep hillside property. While such land is no doubt scenic, the upfront costs of preparing the land previously undeveloped for construction is typically a significant additional cost, in addition to the purchase price of the land. Site prep, building a driveway, bringing in water, electric and sewage lines, and excavating the foundation can be quite expensive. Your builder and architect can help you estimate those costs as well. Even if you're building on an already developed land, you and your architect and builder need to carefully research zoning or deed restrictions. To avoid surprises, have an attorney clarify all restrictions and get estimates on site work, either via the builder or on your own, before completing a land purchase. Because the process of building a custom home is not surprisingly truly customized. You'll typically spend a lot more time designing and constructing your new home than you would if you work with a production builder. I hope that you now know the differences between a production builder and a custom home builder so that you can think about which one is right for you and your lifestyle. If you have any questions about this topic or anything else involving real estate, reach out to me today, as I would be thrilled to help and be a resource for you. In addition, I create custom moving plans for each of my clients up to a year in advance so that we can be fully prepared and partners in this real estate journey. So if you think you're within a year of making a move, reach out at the information below today and set up a consultation. Plus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I am part of a global real estate company and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel today and tune in weekly to learn more about the new construction process. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.